Hello YouTube, it is Elbar over here. In our YouTube channel you will find different videos regarding FRP on different phones, so make sure you subscribe. In this video I will show you how you can remove Google Lock FRP on the model A426U or Samsung Galaxy A42 5G. So this is a model that has Qualcomm processor, so for this one you will need an EDL cable. We're gonna use a tool for this FRP called TSM tool, which is a paid tool, but if you want, you can rent it for like 6 hours in this website. It's a very good website. It has unlock tool and TSM. So click on the TSM tool, and over here, as you see, it is for 6 hours. It is very fast delivery, and after purchasing, you can reach them on email or on WhatsApp. You will find the email or WhatsApp on the bottom. So let me scroll down. Here we have the WhatsApp, you can click on it, or you have the phone number, you can save and reach to WhatsApp, and the email address also over there. Let me continue with the download. So you need to download not this one, not the Pro edition, but you need to download the TSM Tool Pro 2.3.9 or the version that you will be on. I'm gonna choose Mega Download. Let me speed up the video a bit so the video will not be long. And of course, it will depend on your internet speed. Let me extract the installation file. Okay, extract here. So this is the installer. What we're gonna do, we're gonna open this one. We're gonna click yes. And the installation file should start. Click next on this one. And then click install. Installations should take not more than 1 minute, depending on the computer speed, but usually it takes less than 1 minute. Click close, and the file will be on your desktop. The shortcut will be on your desktop. Okay, here it is. Let me run the TSM Tool Pro. Again, over here you need to click yes in order to open it, and it will open the sign-in software, which will ask you to sign in. Okay, I'm gonna sign in with the information that I have, and in order to do the process you need to put the phone in EDL mode. Like you see on my right, the phone, it is on EDL, it says Qualcomm port. In order to go to EDL mode, you need to power off the phone and disconnect the cable, and then wait for 10 seconds. After that, press and hold the EDL button, hold both volume up and volume down, and then insert the cable. Immediately after inserting the cable, press and release fast volume up and volume down like 12 to 15 times, and the device manager will show same Qualcomm port just like it is showing on my side. Once you have that, you will be ready to proceed. Okay, so let's wait for the sign-in to complete, and as you see over here, this tool supports a lot of models, starting from Samsung, Motorola, OnePlus, Vivo, and other MediaTek and Qualcomm devices. So I just adjusted my screen so it will show better. And I'm gonna go to Samsung over here, and I'm gonna search for my model, which is my case, it is A426U. Okay, let me open this one. It is the first one, and you're gonna click on Remove FRP, choose EDL mode, and then bit 9. It will not matter if you have bit 8 or lower, but this will support up to bit 9, which is the latest one that you can get. The FRP process will be same as you see on the video over here. It should not take long. After reading all the info, it should go to removing FRP lock, OK, and then rebooting, OK. So your phone should automatically reboot and the FRP will be gone. As you see over here on the information, my model, it is A426U, and it is running on the latest Android. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.